Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mabudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering in Kekewa College of Food Technology, Nase. Today, I will cover a topic renewable electricity generation technologies. Apart from that, first of all, we see that what is our renewable electricity generation technologies. Renewable electricity generation technology harness a naturally existing energy flux such as wind, sun, heat or tides and convert that flux to electricity. Natural phenomena have been varying time constant cycles and energy density. To tap these sources of energy, renewable electricity generation technology must be located where the natural energy flux occurs. Unlike conventional fossil fuels and nuclear electricity generating facilities, which can be located at some distances from their fuel sources, renewable energy sources that will be generation technology, naturally existing energy flux and scale economic likewise differ for renewable and conventional energy production. Large coal fired and nuclear power generating facilities exhibit lower average cost of generation than do smaller plants, which is realizing economic of scale based on the size of the facility. With the exception of hydropower renewable technology that are often disruptive and do not bring incremental change to long established electricity industry technology present a package of performance attributes that at least at the outset are not valued by majority of existing customers. Disruptive technology can result in worse product performance, at least in the near term. Disruptive technologies bring to make very different value proposition than had been available previously. Generally, disruptive technology form established product in mainstream market, but they have either a feature that few fringe out customers value. Traditional source of electricity generation, at least initially, outperform non-hydropower renewables. As well as we can say that typical wind turbine that consists the number of component rotor control, drive train, gearbox, generator and power converter that has undergone significant development in the last 10 years with the improvement integrated into latest turbine designs. However, with the improvement in renewable technology and increasing cost of generation from conventional sources, renewables may other offer the potential to match the performance of traditional generating sources. So this is all about our renewable electric generation technology. Now first which come under this is wind power. Wind power uses a wind turbine and related components to convert the kinetic energy of moving air into electricity and other forms of energy. Wind power has been harnessed for centuries. From the time of the ancient Greeks to the present, the modern era of wind driven electrical generation began with the oil shocks of the 1970s. As well as we can say that a typical wind turbine have very complicated design, as well as turbine as a big 5 megawatt has been installed in offshore locations. A number of studies on the integration of wind power into a utility capacity and dispatch structure indicate that wind can be integrated at up to approximately 20% of the total electricity mix without requiring storage, although the exact level depends on the power system. Modern electricity grid systems are designed to handle loss of the largest power plant without disruption, to have ramp up and ramp down capabilities, and to increase or decrease generation as demand increase or decrease. The vast majority of wind power that is generated by large wind turbines which feeding into the electricity grid, while small turbines generally provide electricity directly to customers. The United States is the leading world producer of small wind turbines. These resident turbines are erected and connected directly to the customer facility, or we can say that to the electricity distribution system at the customer side. The key technologies issues for wind power focus on continuing to develop better turbine component and to improve the integration of wind power into the electricity system. Mid-term wind technology development will have two thrusts: the movement toward offshore and its implication for turbine design, and the development of the efficient low wind speed turbines. At present, no revaluation technology to extract energy from wind and has been proposed, but several design example vertical or egg beaters are again under consideration. So we can say that conceptual proposal to assess high altitude wind using balloons or kites. Okay, thank you.